Hello friends, welcome to Vani's channel. Today we have a special guest for handling our videos.
Hey guys! Today we're gonna have a creative work for Vani's channel. We will be leveraging AI and NLP, that is artificial intelligence and natural language processing, for opening Vani's channel videos. Just like Google Home, Siri, and Alexa, we're using our own voice to open YouTube videos. Have fun with the videos!
Hi user, I am Vani's channel personal voice assistant for YouTube. Please give a command and I will open cooking videos for you.
Hello, can you please greet my friends?
Hello user, good afternoon.
Can you please open Vani's channel?
Vani channel video has opened for you.
Can you please open the 6 different idlis video?
Different idli recipe video has been opened for you.
Can you please open wall hanging design video?
Wall hanging video has been opened for you.
Can you please close it?
Bye bye user, enjoy Vani's channel and have a great day.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. See you until the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!